Hey guys, so I am back with another Pokemon booster pack opening, and this time I will be opening the Phantom Force pack that I got with my EX figure box. So yeah, that is pretty darn cool. Alright, we have Spearow, we have Helioptile, we have Murkrow, cool. We have Venonat. We have Finneon, pre-evolution to Lumineon. We have Krabby, because I'm feeling pretty crabby myself. We have Feraligatr, nice. We have Swadloon. We have Enhanced Hammer, or at least yeah, that's what it says. And Fearow. So cool. Bye guys, I can't believe I didn't get an EX. Goodbye.